Hey guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. I'm Brad and you're watching Supercar Street Racing, and today on the channel we are up at, as you can see right here on the screen, we're at part 6 of the MiniBike restoration project. I spent a lot of hours the other day doing quite a few things to the bike. I got all the parts off. I got all the parts either grinded down and prepped to get all the rust off, or degreased, or both, and then got them all painted black and ready to go back on the MiniBike. I only have one task left to do on painting, and that is the gas tank. I want to take the cap and make that copper. You're going to see all that today here on Supercar Street Racing. All right, I went ahead and heated the can up because this stuff is not sticking good on this cap. Let's see if it sticks now after I scuffed up the cap and cleaned it. Looks a little better. Let's see if it starts bubbling up like it did last time. Still got some bubbles in it. Don't get it. I prepped this thing like 3 times. See the bubbles forming there? It's completely clean too. I don't know what's going on with that. Alright, I got all my parts lined up here on the table. Borrowed the table from Rich and Trish. Yeah, I'm just kind of laying everything out. I don't have everything exactly where it's supposed to go because I don't remember, but I have video from everything. And I'm just cleaning up all the parts now. on the grinder that need cleanup, making sure everything is nice and fresh for the reconstruction. Alright guys, just got finished with the most important part of the project, and that's always cleaning up after you're finished. So I cleaned the entire garage, blew all the leaves out that had come in from the wind for the last couple of days, and got all the project parts laid out on the table. So I don't know how much of this is going into each video, but this is going to wrap one of the videos up, and you can see here everything came out just fantastic. I've just got a few parts down here drying to wrap up, and now the hard part is ordering parts that I want to replace, and also after that there's a mini bike right there. Ordering parts I want to replace, and then figuring out how this thing goes back together, because I really didn't pay attention as much as I should have. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you later.